What if one structure could change the fate of an entire city? What if steel could unite people, carry emotions, and outlive generations? This is not just a bridge. This is a question written in iron. How far can human vision really go? Above the restless waters of Sydney Harbour, the answer stands tall. The Sydney Harbour Bridge. Every day, over 250,000 people cross this bridge. But here's the truth most don't realize: they are not crossing a road. They are crossing history. Beneath every tire, beneath every footstep, lies a story built with sacrifice, courage, and belief. Some bridges connect places. This one connects time. 100 years ago, Sydney was split in two. The harbour was beautiful, but beauty can also be a barrier. Ferries were slow. Lives were delayed. Dreams waited. 100 years ago, Sydney was split in two. The harbour was beautiful, but beauty can also be a barrier. Ferries were slow. Lives were delayed. Dreams waited. Every great monument begins with one stubborn believer. For Sydney, that man was Dr. John Bradfield. He didn't see steel. He saw unity. He didn't see cost. He saw the future. People doubted him. Budgets collapsed. Critics laughed. But vision does not need permission. Construction began in 1923. No modern safety gear. No advanced machines. Only men and gravity. More than 1,400 workers climbed steel giants every day. 6 million rivets. 52,000 tons of steel. And then, the price nobody wants to talk about. 16 lives were lost. Here's the hook we must never forget: great landmarks are not built cheaply. They are paid for in human courage. 2 massive steel arches stretched from opposite sides of the harbour. For years, they moved closer, inch by inch. The world watched. And then, one day, they met. Perfectly. No second chance. No undo button. Just precision and belief. That moment turned impossibility into history. March 19, 1932. The Great Depression still haunted the world. But on this day, Sydney stood taller. When the bridge opened, it wasn't just traffic that flowed. Hope did. This bridge became a promise: hard times are temporary. Strong nations endure. Here's something incredible: on hot days, this bridge grows. Steel expands. The structure moves. Yes, even iron breathes. 8 lanes of traffic. 2 railway lines. Paths for people and cyclists. This bridge doesn't fight nature. It adapts to it. That is real strength. Why does the world recognize this bridge instantly? Because it became more than design. It became identity. New Year's Eve fireworks explode from its arch. Movies frame it as a hero. Tourists climb it seeking fear and freedom. From the top, Sydney doesn't look like a city. It looks like a dream that worked. But here is the most powerful truth: this bridge does not belong to tourists. It belongs to the people. First dates. Late night drives. Silent goodbyes. Through storms and celebrations, it never leaves. When everything changes, this bridge stays, holding the city together. So what does the Sydney Harbour Bridge really teach us? That vision defeats doubt. That unity defeats distance. That courage outlives fear. A nation that builds bridges never stops moving forward. And as the water flows beneath it, the Sydney Harbour Bridge continues to whisper: dream bigger. Build stronger. Stand longer than time itself.